All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the tires. Overall, some decent tread left. You are missing that little cap. A couple little scuffs. I don't see any curb rash though. A couple chips here. Otherwise, that looks good. Looking at the fender, that looks nice. Got the shorty antenna. That side mirror looks good. Got the camera under here. Looking at the door. Some little chips down here on that lower side. Got a larger one right here. You can see they painted this white and it is chipping all throughout. This got all painted too, so you're gonna see the chips kind of peppered throughout. Now looking at that bedside. Overall, that looks really good. Got the chips here. That taillight looks nice. Got the multi-flex tailgate. You can see this is all painted and it is chipping around the edges. Little scuffs and scratches. Couple chips. Some scratches and a gash right there. Looking at the bumper, of course you're going to see the chips and gashes. All of that was painted white. This is all flaking. Some scuffs. Overall, that wheel looks good. Scanning the door. A couple chips here and there, but otherwise looks really nice. You do have some larger chips here. Under the handle, I see a little chip. Mirror looks nice. Fender looks good. A couple small chips here. Otherwise, that flare is in great condition. Overall, that looks good. And then they painted all this, so you're going to see it kind of chipping. The grille surround. The clear coat is coming off here. You can see it flaking in a lot of spots. All of this was painted after the fact though, but you can see the clear coat's failing. You can see the chrome underneath. Then looking at the engine bay, all of this looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. That door panel looks really good. Got the memory seating, power folding mirrors, power extending. All of that looks good. Got your Bose audio. A couple little scuffs here and there. Overall, that bolster is in great condition. Typical little wear, but very, very nice. This side looks pretty much perfect. It looks really good. Here on the steering wheel, typical wear. You can see that here, real shiny here, and it's flat there. Those buttons look good. That screen looks nice. Heated and cooled seats. That console's in great condition. Got the heads-up display. This side looks good. All right, here on the front right door panel. Overall, that's in great condition. A couple scuffs on the plastic. Little tiny scuff right here. That bolster looks amazing. The rest of the seat's in awesome condition. Very clean. This side of the console looks good. That wood grain looks nice. Got the double glove box. All of that looks good. And you got the sunroof. This side is in really good condition. Here on the back right door panel, that's in great condition. Looking at the seat, looks really nice. They are heated, and then you got your ports right there. Looks really good back here. Here on the back left door panel, looks amazing. That seat is very clean. Got the little storage pockets here, as well as underneath the seats.